Hi everybody, I'm very excited. I just got my stand-up table and this is just the frame. So what I had to do is add the top to it. This is by Rise Up brand and I got it about a month ago. I just finished assembling it and everything, and I've used it for a few hours, but I'm really excited. It is everything I wanted and actually more. It's really great. So this thing is awesome, and for a few reasons. One, it has 4 memory settings. 2, it's really easy to assemble. I'm going to show you in a few moments how quickly I got it assembled, and it was really just one sheet, 7 steps. It took me maybe an hour because I took my time. And then I added these boards. It cost me about 16 bucks. I've been wanting one of these for a while now. This way I could sit down and also stand up and use my computer, just, to relieve my back and neck and all that stuff. So let's get to it. So this is what comes in the box. It came really nicely packed. This is really good packing. And all the parts are laid down like that. And it seems like there's not a lot of parts. I imagine more parts. So I'm going to get started building this, and I'll show you the final product and also how it operates. This is the instruction manual, and as you can see, it's really just one sheet. So it shouldn't be a problem assembling it. I have to say it again, whoever engineered the packing on this box needs to get a raise, because this is just phenomenal packaging. There's really, unless this thing falls off a truck, this thing will come to your house in top shape. All right, so I plugged everything in. Unfortunately, it just doesn't work. So there is a notice here that if the system doesn't work when used, we may need to reset the system. So to make the system initialize, reset procedure is as follows. Press the up and down button together for about 50 seconds. When you hear the beep, do not release. Keep pressing. The lifting column will go down and then will beep here. Okay, let's see if this works. So obviously I don't have any platform on it now, but I will. So let's see. 15 seconds. Okay. Oh my God, this is so cool. Wow. This is awesome. All right, I'm gonna go get a platform for this, and I'm gonna continue the video. So at the end, I decided to go with 2 sheets of plywood that were 4 feet and a little bit over 2 feet each to use as a tabletop. They were just cheap, and maybe later I'll find a better solution. But actually, now that I'm looking at it, it looks pretty nice. So let me operate this table, and we're going to see how fast it goes up and down. All right, so I still didn't mount the remote control, but let's go ahead and see how it goes down. It has a very satisfying noise. Like it's a really good quality machine. So this will go down all the way to 26.3 inch. Let me actually measure this. So at its lowest, it's at 25 inch, and at its highest it is very satisfying noise. And by the way, it automatically stops when it gets there. It doesn't just keep grinding and grinding. So without the tabletop, the highest is 50 inches and a quarter, or 100 28 centimeters. Alright, so as you can see, I bolted the two pieces to the desk. I only used one because I kept the middle part exactly where the other rubber footing is. It should be okay. I don't see it going anywhere. If there is a problem, I'm probably gonna drill another hole here and another hole here just to be able to mount it better. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these straps nicely with the supplied straps right there. I would also recommend strapping this one, the power cord, just in case you tug on it, that it doesn't tug on the actual, right like this. This way if you tug on it, it doesn't break the plug here. And there's not much really to strap. I'm just gonna keep this dangling. I mean, I could probably strap it, but it's not a big deal. All right, so let's do a demo. I programmed 1 and 2 to my height that I want, for 1 for sitting and 2 for standing, and let's see how it works. So, sitting height. Now I'll press the number 2 and we'll see how it goes up. Darn. What's making the noise is the boards. I need to make another 2 holes to secure them properly. But in any case, I am loving this. This is very stable too. Let me do a little shake on it and you can see. So, yeah, not bad. I mean, it is about 5 feet off the ground. Pretty stable. I may have to adjust the legs on the bottom just to make it a little more stable, but looking good. Also, I did videotape the assembly of this table, but it was really too long. So if you do want to somehow see the entire assembly procedure, maybe if enough people will put a request, I'll make a video and link it. All right, so let me wrap up this video. I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised how well this thing is constructed, how easy it was to assemble, and just how usable it is. And it's very stable for a 2-legged stand-up tabletop. Now, I wanted to give you some pointers when you're going to look for one of these to purchase. There's a few things you have to look for. One is, do the legs have 3 sections? Meaning, are they in 3 parts or in 2 sections? Because the 2-section ones will have limited height adjustability, and the ones that have 3 parts will just rise up higher and go lower. Also, another thing you have to look for is how much weight capacity this table can withstand. So this one specific one is 250 pounds, and it's right at the, the edge of the higher end weight limit. Some of them have 350, some of them have way less. So this is in a nice spot of weight capacity. Another thing you want to look for is the controller. Make sure that the controller has a memory function, because I gotta tell you, it makes a whole lot of difference, because then you only have to click one time and it goes to that setting, and it actually removes the wear and tear of the buttons. Imagine I have to just keep pressing on a button. It definitely adds some wear to it. Another thing you want to make sure is that the frame has coasters, meaning that you can adjust the bottom so that it doesn't shake. That's very important. Not all of them have adjustable coasters. And lastly, you got to check to see the speed of the movement. So I believe this one is about 1.5 inches per second, which makes the whole thing go up and down really at a reasonable speed. Another thing you have to notice is how whisper quiet this thing is. It won't bother anyone that's around the area if you're lifting or lowering the table. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please thumb up. If you want to see more videos in the future and get notified to them, please subscribe. It's free. Plus, click the notification button so you can know exactly when I publish a new video. If you dislike this video, go ahead, press the dislike button. But let me know why you didn't like the video so I can improve future videos. Also, I will link in the description and in the pinned comment a direct link to this product so you can check it out. Also, I will get compensated for that through Amazon, not through the manufacturer. I'm not getting paid to make this review. I purchased this item using my own money, and this is an honest review. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye.